What if I told you there's a disease more dangerous than any virus? One that doesn't just destroy individuals, but entire societies. This disease hides behind fake confidence, blinds people with ego, and slowly poisons relationships, communities, and even nations. It's called arrogance, and today we're going to expose it.
It's a silent disease. You can't see it. You can't touch it. But it slowly poisons the soul. Arrogance, a hidden toxin that turns people away from truth, from others, and from God. And maybe, without even knowing it, you suffer from it too. What is arrogance? Arrogance isn't just pride. It's a feeling that makes a person see themselves as better, superior, above others. There are many forms of arrogance. Intellectual arrogance, when someone believes their knowledge makes them superior and dismisses others as ignorant. Financial arrogance, when wealth becomes a reason to look down on the poor. Racial or tribal arrogance, when people believe their background or bloodline is more valuable than others. Religious arrogance, when a person becomes proud of their worship and judges others harshly. Personal or physical arrogance, when someone feels proud of their looks, talents, or opinions and belittles others for lacking them. All of these are dangerous. They cloud the heart, they isolate the soul, and they push us away from humility, from compassion, and from God. The psychology and social impact. Arrogance is a psychological disease. It feeds the ego. It poisons relationships. It blinds you to your own flaws. An arrogant person refuses advice, mocks criticism, and slowly loses the respect of everyone around them. Families break. Friendships die. Society grows cold. And even with money, success, and power, the arrogant person often ends up alone. What Islam says about arrogance. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Anyone with even a speck of arrogance in their heart will not enter paradise." Islam teaches humility. The Prophet, who had every reason to be proud, was the most humble of all. He sat with the poor, forgave his enemies, and never placed himself above anyone. The companions didn't just preach humility, they lived it. The cure for arrogance. There's only one true cure for arrogance: humility. When you realize that everything you have is a gift, when you treat others with dignity, regardless of who they are, when you start seeing others as equals or better, that's when arrogance begins to die. Humility isn't weakness, it's strength wrapped in grace. So today, make a choice. Look deep within yourself. Are you carrying this disease? Let it go. Let go of arrogance and choose humility, because the world doesn't need more egos. It needs more hearts that walk humbly and lift others as they rise.